Hello. In this video, I will show you about 10 best camera phones under 20,000 rupees in 2023. Please enjoy watching the video as following. After the fingerprint sensor, the biggest tech innovation has happened in smartphone cameras, especially in the budget segment. And for good reason too. After all, an engaging camera is something that all classes of users appreciate on their phones. With multiple sensors becoming a common phenomenon across price segments, even phone cameras under 20,000 rupees are great value for money. With companies trickling down higher megapixel sensor such as 48MP or 64MP, paired with telephoto, ultra-wide, depth, or macro sensors to the budget segments, the smartphone cameras 20,000 are versatile and can take some really great shots even in adverse lighting conditions. A simple browse through your social media feed will tell you that people are indeed fond of shooting with these multi-sensor setups. Slowly and steadily, most of the mobile phones in the sub-20,000 segment are shipping with dual as well as triple camera hardware in 2023. And if that's precisely what you have been hankering for, here are the best camera phone options available under 20,000 rupees at the moment. Best camera phones under 20,000 rupees in India, July 2023. 1. Samsung Galaxy M34. Samsung Galaxy M34 was launched in July 2023 and the smartphone comes with a triple camera setup at the back. There is a 50MP primary with optical image stabilization and HDR. Alongside it is an 8MP ultra-wide and a 2MP macro lens too. The camera setup comes with 10x digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, and touch to focus. Video recording can take place at 30 frames per second and offer a resolution of 2840 by 2160. At the front is a 13MP selfie camera that offers video recording at 30 frames per second and offers a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Galaxy M34 is available on Amazon at a starting price of 18,999 rupees in midnight blue, prism silver, and waterfall blue shades. Samsung Galaxy M34, specs. Screen, 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display CPU, Exynos 1280 SoC RAM, up to 8GB storage, 128GB battery, 6000 mAh, 25W fast charging rear camera, 50MP plus 8MP plus 2MP front camera, 13MP weight, 208G dimensions. 161.7 by 77.2 by 8.8 mm software, Android 13. 2. iQOO-Z7S 5G. iQOO-Z7S 5G offers a dual camera setup at the back, but the performance of the cameras is good considering the price point. A 64MP main camera with OIS, autofocus, and LED flash offers a pixel resolution of 9000 by 7000. There is also a 2MP depth sensor at the back. The camera setup comes with digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, and touch to focus. At the front is a single 16MP selfie camera that is a wide-angle lens offering video recording at 30 frames per second. iQOO-Z7S 5G is available on Amazon for a starting price of 18,999 rupees in Pacific Night and Norway blue colors. iQOO-Z7S 5G specs. Screen, 6.38-inch AMOLED display CPU, Snapdragon 695 RAM, 6GB per 8GB storage, 128GB battery, 4500 mAh, 44W fast charging rear camera, 64MP plus 2MP front camera, 16MP weight, 172G dimensions, 158.9 by 73.5 by 7.8 mm software, Android 13. 3. OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G. The OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G features a triple camera setup at the back. It includes a 108MP primary sensor that is also an ultra-wide lens. There is a 2MP depth and a 2MP macro lens as well to complement the main camera. The camera setup supports 6x digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, and touch-to-focus features. Dual video recording is also possible. The front sports a 16MP selfie lens with video recording at 30 frames per second. The OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G starts at 19,999 rupees via Amazon and comes in pastel lime and chromatic gray shades. OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G specs. Screen, 6.72-inch IPS LCD display CPU, Snapdragon 695 RAM, 6GB per 8GB storage, 128GB battery, 5000 mAh, 67W fast charging rear camera, 108MP plus 2MP plus 2MP front camera, 16MP weight, 195G dimensions. 165.5 by 76 by 8.3 mm software, Android 13. 4. Vivo T2. Vivo T2 has a dual camera setup at the back. There is a 64MP primary ISCOELL Plus sensor that supports optical image stabilization. Alongside it is a 2MP depth sensor for close-up shots. The camera setup supports digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, and touch to focus. The front features a 16MP selfie camera that records 1920 by 1080 pixel videos at 30 frames per second. Vivo T2 is available for 16,999 rupees via Flipkart. It comes in Nitro Blaze and Velocity Wave shades. Vivo T2 specs. Screen, 6.38-inch AMOLED display CPU, Snapdragon 695 RAM, 6GB per 8GB storage, 128GB battery, 4500 mAh, 44W fast charging rear camera, 64MP plus 2MP front camera, 16MP weight, 172G dimensions. 158.9 by 73.5 by 7.8 mm software, Android 13. 5. Realme 10 Pro 5G. Realme 10 Pro 5G has a dual camera setup at the back. There is a 108MP primary camera with 6x digital zoom, face detection, auto zoom, and more. Supporting it is a 2MP depth sensor. Video recording can take place at 30 frames per second for a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The front has a 16MP selfie camera with screen flash, fixed focus, and video recording at 30 frames per second. The Realme 10 Pro 5G is available for 20,999 rupees via Flipkart. The smartphone comes in hyperspace gold, dark matter, and nebule blue colors. Realme 10 Pro 5G specs. Screen, 6.72-inch IPS LCD display CPU, Snapdragon 695 RAM, 6GB per 8GB storage, 128GB battery, 5000 mAh, 33W fast charging rear camera, 108MP plus 2MP front camera, 16MP weight, 190G dimensions. 163.7 by 74.2 by 8.1 mm software, Android 13. 6. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 comes with a triple camera setup at the back. The setup includes a 48MP primary sensor that covers a good field of view and offers 8000 by 6000 pixel resolution images. There is digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, and touch to focus as well. Alongside the main camera, there is an 8MP ultra-wide and a 2MP macro lens as well. At the front is a 13MP wide-angle selfie camera that records 1920x 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Redmi Note 12 is available for 16,999 rupees via Amazon in frosted green, mystique blue, and matte black colors. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 specs. Screen, 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display CPU, Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 RAM, 4GB per 6GB storage, 128GB battery, 5000 mAh, 33W fast charging rear camera, 48MP plus 8MP plus 2MP front camera, 13MP weight, 188G dimensions, 165.88 by 76.21 by 7.98 mm software, Android 13. 7. Moto G73. Moto G73 sports a dual-lens setup at the back. The setup includes a 50MP primary and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. The main camera supports up to 8x digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, and touch to focus. At the front is a 16MP selfie camera with an f/2.4 aperture and video recording at 30 frames per second. The Moto G73 is available for 16,999 rupees via Flipkart and Amazon in midnight blue and lucent white shades. Moto G73 specs. Screen, 6.5-inch IPS LCD display CPU, MediaTek Dimensity 920 RAM, 8GB storage, 128GB battery, 5000 mAh, 30W fast charging rear camera, 50MP plus 8MP front camera, 16MP weight, 181G dimensions, 161.4 by 73.8 by 8.2 mm software, Android 13. 8. Realme Narso 65G. The Realme Narso 65G was launched earlier this month in the country. It comes with a dual camera setup at the back including a 64MP primary and a 2MP depth sensor. There is no OIS but the image resolution goes up to 9000 by 7000 pixels. Digital zoom, auto flash, and face detection are also supported by the smartphone. It is available for 17,999 rupees via Amazon in Mars orange and cosmic black colors. Realme Narso 65G specs. Screen, 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display CPU, MediaTek Dimensity 6020 RAM, 8GB storage, 256GB battery, 5000 mAh, 33W fast charging rear camera, 64MP plus 2MP front camera, 16MP weight, 182G dimensions, 159.8 by 72.9 by 7.9 mm software, Android 13. 9. Tecno Canon 20 Pro. Tecno Canon 20 Pro comes with a triple camera setup at its rear side. The setup includes a 64MP primary, 2MP macro, and a 2MP depth sensor. The primary camera supports optical image stabilization along with digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, and touch to focus. At the front is a 32MP selfie camera with a dual LED flash and a video recording at 30 frames per second. Tecno Canon 20 Pro is available on Flipkart for 19,000 rupees in dark Welkin and Serenity blue shades. Tecno Canon 20 Pro specs. Screen, 6.67-inch AMOLED display CPU, MediaTek Dimensity 8050 RAM, 8GB storage, 256GB battery, 5000 mAh, 33W fast charging rear camera, 64MP plus 2MP plus 2MP front camera, 32MP weight, 193G dimensions, 162.7 by 75.9 by 7.8 mm software, Android 13. 10. Poco X4 Pro 5G. The Poco X4 Pro 5G has a triple camera setup at the back that includes a 64MP main, 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro sensors. The camera setup supports dual video recording, digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, and touch to focus. There is an LED flash as well. At the front is a 16MP selfie camera with screen flash and video recording support at 30 frames per second for a 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution. Poco X4 Pro 5G is available for 18,999 rupees via Amazon in laser blue, laser black, and Poco yellow shades. Poco X4 Pro 5G specs. Screen: 6.67-inch AMOLED display, CPU, Snapdragon 695 RAM, 8GB storage, 128GB battery, 5000 mAh, 44W fast charging rear camera, 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP front camera, 16MP weight, 205G dimensions. 164.1 by 76.1 by 8.1 mm software, Android 13. Best camera phones under 20,000 rupees that you can buy in India today. Best camera phone under 20,000 Indian rupees price, Indian rupee. Samsung Galaxy M34 18,999 Indian rupees. OPPO Z7S 5G 18,999 Indian rupees. OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 19,999 Indian rupees. Vivo T2 16,999 Indian rupees. Realme 10 Pro 20,000 Indian rupees. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 16,999 Indian rupees. Moto G73 16,999 Indian rupees. Realme Narso 65G 17,999 Indian rupees. Tecno Canon 20 Pro 19,000 Indian rupees. Poco X4 Pro 5G 18,999 Indian rupees. Which brands offer a good camera setup in a smartphone under 20,000? Brands like Realme, Xiaomi, Samsung, and Motorola offer smartphones with good camera setups under 20,000. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.